so-called El Niño is referring to a temporary weather change that is caused by an abnormal circulation between Pacific Ocean currents and the atmosphere. The normal condition is like this. In the western Pacific Ocean near the equator, the seawater surface temperature is high, so it is a low pressure and rising air current region. And in the East Pacific Ocean near the equator, the seawater surface temperature is low, so it is a high pressure and falling air current region. Along the equator, air currents in the lower level are moving from east to west, and air currents in the higher level are moving from west to east, thereby forming a so-called Walker circulation. At the same time, at the bottom of the ocean, there is another circulation. In the East Pacific Ocean and at the sea by Peru, the seawater at the surface is influenced by the east wind, which slowly flows towards the West Pacific Ocean. The cold seawater at lower levels rises up. The whole circulation finally sinks to the bottom when reaching the land. This kind of circulation brings ample rainfall for Australia, Indonesia, and Southeast Asia. And in the East Pacific Ocean that is nearby Peru, because the surface seawater is kept at a low temperature all year round, Peru's coastal area is therefore moisture deprived and is turned into an arid desert. But scientists have observed that every few years, the seawater temperature along the coast of Peru will rise, which changes the whole circulation. At this time, the Walker circulation will weaken and even turn in the opposite direction, and this is the so-called El Niño. When El Niño occurs, the east wind at the equator is weakened. The warm seawater will slowly dissipate towards the east, bringing precipitation levels in Indonesia and Australia to fall, causing droughts. At the same time, due to the fact of the weakening wind, the ice-cold seawater rising from the bottom of the ocean will also decrease, raising the seawater temperature near Peru. The rising rainfall brings forth floods and also reduces the fish catch at the same time. This phenomenon was first discovered by Peru's fishermen on the eve of Christmas and is therefore dubbed the name El Niño.